guys? Welcome to another episode of Hooked Up Fishing. Headed to Lake Conroe this morning after a good trip fighting hybrids, and hope you guys enjoyed the catch, clean, and cook. I know it took a while for me to get to the cook. That's what my partner Frazier told me. He said, man, it took you forever to get to that fish. Now y'all know what my days are like all the time. Anyway, look, I'm trying to get out here early because the winds are scheduled to pick up a little bit around 10 or 11 a.m. this morning. So I'm going to try to get out here and get my fish before that happens and do a little damage, get a little footage, and put a little meat on the table. So stay tuned, and I'll get back with you guys when I get on the fish, man. And thank you guys so much for watching, all the likes, subscriptions, comments, and let's stay tuned to Hooked Up Fishing, baby. Well, we always get hooked up. Later. And holla at my boy, man, D. Fraze, new channel, Houston Fishing Team. He's always rolling with me. I'm always rolling with him, even if we ain't on the water together. So y'all check us out, man. And like I said, stay tuned. Big things popping, little things stopping. You know what I mean? Later. Windy on the mic, so it might be noisy, twice as noisy with the wind and with this bridge, but I'm here, so let me get this thing jumping off before the wind picks up, man. I already got mad cars going by. Only thing I hate about the bridge is the noise. Later. out here before, and those fish will not feed while it's dark. When I was at Keiko one time, you could be out there at night and they'd be right there and wouldn't feed, because crappie are real visual feeders. So not a whole lot of light is needed when you're trying to night fish for them. And a lot of times I've experienced they won't bite until daybreak. So I'm gonna stop this right here and pick back up later. See y'all, now that ain't what's supposed to happen. Y'all wasn't supposed to become the best of friends. You supposed to eat the earthworm, man. That way I ain't gotta go spend no money on no food. I can get it out the backyard. Come on, stowaway, man. That's your name right now until I can come up with a better name. You're a stowaway, so your name's stowaway. You ain't even eating the earthworm, man. He all on your back. Y'all done became buddies. That ain't cool, man. I need you to eat, bruh. Well. Stuff I tied last night. See if I can do some heavy lifting with it. Yeah, put a rough start to the morning, guys, but guess what? I ain't gonna stop till the fish get bigger. Man, don't smash that big. Fish been there all along, and they waiting on feeding time. Right at 8 o'clock, the major feed starts today. See if we can hook a few of these out. Right eating size Lake Conroe crappie. He ran right out of there and smashed it. Live and direct. First keep of the morning. Gotta go to work, y'all. Flip it out there and see what happens. Let that bait fall up in there in the strike zone. A different approach. Oh, just like that. Y'all see how I made that happen? Just by changing up what I was doing, different presentation, man. It's a little different presentation. I flipped that bait out and let that bait fall back in the strike zone. Ah, man, I'm talking about murder. Just like that. Wow. Well, those fish are sitting there, and I'm having to provoke them to bite. You know what I mean? Just a weird deal. They're sitting right there on that pylon. I'm going to switch the camera around, bring another camera in here and try to show you. Okay, I'm going to approach this pylon again. I'm dropping my jig down. That's my jig coming there. It's lit up there, you see? That's my jig down at the bottom. And I'm going to approach that pylon where those fish are at. And And you'll see the fish come into view right up next to that pollen I'm approaching. Coming over here. Those are the fish right there stacked up down there on that pollen. So I'm approaching it now, and I didn't get that bait, those fish to hit that bait until I flipped it out last time to them. But that's my jig as I'm approaching there. Got it illuminated real good, and I should be able to entice a fish. There he comes, there he comes. You see him coming up to it? It's coming up to it. It's coming up to it. He ain't hit it. He just swam up to it and swam off. See how those fish are? That fish that's catfish though. I think swimming slow like that. But that fish just swam up to that jig and swim off, man. You know, they're just acting real funny on the bite. There it is. There come one. There come one. Oh, he took off. There's another. Right in there on him. And they don't want to touch it. Change color. They don't want nothing persistent. They just want you to change colors and all kinds of stuff. Beautiful fish, man. Watch them swim off this morning. I had to go abstract, man, to get a bite. It's crazy. It's jumping on that new color. Jumping on that new color, man. You just never know. Just never know. We're eating that up. I've been all morning trying black and chartreuse. They don't want that this morning. They've been eating black and chartreuse up for 2-3 weeks now, and they don't want it no more. It's gotta come prepared. I tied that jig especially for Conroe, man, because I know how these fish are. They were not hitting black and chartreuse. I changed over. Straight murdering the fish just like that, man. Unreal. Unreal. Got that other jig out there with black and chartreuse. That other rod out there, it's got the exact same color I've been killing them on. They ain't there no more. I mean, they not wanting that. Well, I gotta give them something different. Right at 16, 17. When I get it in there where they want it, they're smashing it. Change up colors again. Change up to another one of my colors. Get another fish right on the back on bottom. I mean, hugging the bottom. A weird feed day. It's gonna be a weird feed day, but I'm getting it. Would not be possible without live scope. I see those fish hugging the bottom over there. Yeah, you need to call it though. Yeah, call it. Call her though, this morning. She sent you a text, call her. Well, you talking to me about the person touched the old man. You better talk to her. Oh Lord. Yeah, okay. This may not be good here. Got a dude on. Come on up here. Show your face. Oh wow. A solid fish here. This might got smashed. Ooh, that's a big old blue cat, man. Y'all, you're not gonna believe this, y'all. If I can get him over here. Oh, wow. Bop myself in the mouth with that net, but look what I got here, y'all. Man, this is my biggest one this year off the bridge, y'all. Picture fish. Changed colors today. Man, it's working. Look at the size of that. I mean, big old. It's a channel though. Didn't want it to be no channel. I want it to be a blue cat. One camera is out and this one is on. I'm gonna see if I can get this thing out in open water. I got a problem here, y'all. Houston, we have a problem. This ain't no little boy. He down there swimming, man. He is hugging the bottom. Do not want to come up. There he is right there on the screen, y'all. That's him right there. I got myself what I was looking for. Lord and Miss Claudia. See if I can wear this fish out. Y'all need to see this. What I got going on over here, man. Do y'all see that pole, man? Do y'all see that pole, man? Lordy, Miss Claudia. I asked for it and I got it. I hope I can land this fish. It's on the screen. It's out in open water. I just got to see if I can tie this fish out. I got it. Going my way today. Woo. It's a grown man, y'all. I'm gonna try to change the camera around. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pull it off. See if I can hook this camera on back here where y'all can see this fight. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Alright, let me see if I can get this camera hooked on. Alright. Alright. Now, let me get this net ready. I might go home or go to the truck after this. Hard hit a hand tie, y'all. I ain't gonna do no catch, clean, and cook on this route. I see a swivel. I see swivel. I see color. I see color. I see color on a kayak if I can get it over here, y'all. Oh, he saw me. He saw me. He saw me. He saw me, y'all. Oh, man, I want to land this fish. I want to land this fish. If I just land this fish, I might go home or go to the car. I want to do this, man. I want to do this for y'all. For all my fans, everybody that watch me. Oh, wow, man. Wow. Lake Conroe, Opelousas cat, man. hard hitter style, one hand in this boy. If I could get her up here, just one shot at you, baby. Stay away from the boat. Get in the net. Get in the net, man. Come on. Come on, tie her out, tie her out, tie her out, baby. Tie her out. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Oh, yes! Oh, yes! Yes! Man, hold up, y'all. God dog it, man. Somehow or another, guys, this is not working out as planned, okay? I just called myself helping this little turtle out. Of course, I got you something since I went to the pet store. Okay, you know, yeah. We'll show everybody in America how smart you are. You got a new toy? You gonna? There you go. Close the drawer. Close the drawer. Close the drawer. Close it. Good boy. Now, you ain't got to cuss. Close the drawer. Close it. Close it. Good boy. Good boy. You do good. Close the drawer. Close it. Close it. You ain't got to talk all that trash. Close the drawer. Close it. Good boy. Good boy. All right. You get a treat. A toy. Which one? Uh-oh. 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 You don't like that squeaking. Hold on. Let me get these things off of there. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Give it. Give it. Give it. Turns out these turtles have to have a UVB bulb, $25 or $30. I don't know what the heck that thing was. Okay, that's the UVB bulb. One of them was $29 and one of them was $23. Okay, anyway, 82 bucks for a turtle. Tortoise bites. I put him some earthworms in there. He didn't want to eat this. Those are 2 bulbs and a walk-up ramp. It's for a guinea pig. Turtle stuff was high, so I went and got him a guinea pig walk-up ramp to put in there. I'm gonna wash all that off, I guess, make sure I don't get. Well, I got something in there that combats bacteria already in there. But man, this turtling already cost me, guys, man. Hey, dude. You one expensive turtle. Thank God I had a couple of these cheap things around here. Let me get these bulbs on them. Apparently, the bulbs help with their calcium, their bones, their shell, their digestion. These lights, they got to have that. It mimics what they would naturally get from the sun. So, yeah, if it's something that's got to try to mimic God, I'm pretty sure it's going to be high. Hooked up fishing, man. Now it's hooked up fishing. Oh, I did get him a real live plant, tropical plant, whatever. Hooked up fishing, man, is now hooked up stowaway fishing. I got a stowaway on my kayak. Now he's here until I can get him back to his home. I do animal rescue now. Hooked up animal rescue, that's what it is. All right, guys. Officially, Hard Hitters got hooked up animal rescue. If you got any turtles, it's going to cost you, what is this here? $82.21. It's going to cost you $82.21 plus whatever else, other charges that is going to be accumulated from me driving and going to get the turtle and all of that. So maybe 300 bucks. I rescue your turtle. I'll keep him alive. I'll feed him. I'll give him a good home and every time, just like clockwork. Scam likely. If you text STOP, they'll take you off that calling thing. But yeah, hooked up fishing, turtle rescue, hard hitter hand ties, all that later. Hard hitter hand ties. I'm gonna bring the camera over here because I want y'all to see where this jig is at. And this is 10-pound line, man. That's why I tell y'all about that fluoro. I mean that Suffix Advance. Suffix Advance, man. That line I keep telling people about. He's got a hard, I mean, this here is hurting my hand right here. This here is hard. That's hard, man. And that line was down deep, running back and forth for a good 5 or 10 minute fight, man. And I got that fish, baby. I got him. He got me. I told Frazier and Osa this morning, they said, man, you need a butt whooping. I said, yeah, well, that's what I'm here for. A butt whooping. And guess what I got? I got a butt whooping. Look at the head on that. Look at the head on that on the kayak, y'all. Look at the head on that, boy. Man, I'm gone. I'm finna go to the hive. I ain't gotta catch another fish. God, doggy.